Hello everyone, this is an informational video and to help you learn about this business, the opportunities that you have available to yourself and the services which are provided herein and throughout the world. Thank you for taking the time to check this out. This is the About Us presentation. My name is William DeBose and let's get started. The agenda for this course is familiarization, confidence to create, serve, and lead, small shop, great opportunities, legal disclosures, and disclaimers. By understanding our principal objectives, you're going to be able to understand that we are delivering principal results. And what that means is, in modern society, we function as independently contracted consultants which administer services or create assets. Depending on the engagement, we may operate and or collaborate with you as a limited advisor, expert, counselor, facilitator, analyst, strategist, coach, mentor, guide, researcher, a generalist, or specialist, all depending on the specific area expertise needed. This encompasses nonprofit, specialty, and for-profit. Now, in delving into some of the more fun elements of being in business, I want to take the time to enlighten you about how we are going to create, serve, and lead. Our business model is built-in independent research and development to facilitate the creation of services, programs, projects, and content that drives client engagements, consumer interest, and proprietary markets. In addition, we then go into the serve or service elements, in which our expressions of service is through either one or more versions of business to business or business to consumer, private projects, community outreach, faith-based and or ministry operations, and social benefit, or direct service provider and affiliate-based service. But to cap it all off, we love to invest and produce leadership. Our business, marketing, sales, and service acumen is committed to inspiring and developing the dynamic flow of administration and preparation through the offering of business and personal works to improve and enhance clients and markets in general. Now that you have progressed through the course, we want to let you know a couple of things, such as what's offered. Immigration services. VeteransAssist services. Education services. Business services. Arts and design services. Financial services. Consulting services.
Legal disclosure. This content, its media, and one or more other elements here too, including but not limited to the form and method of delivery of this produced work product, collectively, the presentation is owned and operated by William DuBose, its affiliates or partners, and for its privacy, governance, and policy as it relates to your access to and use of any one or more of consultant services, whether for non-profit or for-profit purposes, in such irrevocable and sole discretion of the consultant. The terms presentation, consultant, and business as referenced herein, yet not hereto, include company, we, us, and our. This legal disclosure, along with applicable terms and conditions of service, governs your use of any consultant and/or business-provided service, offer, works, experiences, etc., including any content, functionality, and services offered on or through the works alone, or through one or more venues, channels, or methods expressed by consultant. Education and entertainment advisory. The information contained on this presentation through the works or even channel and the resources available for download through this presentation through the works or even channel or any website are for educational and informational purposes only. Should you be dissatisfied with the content, you should not continue to view, read, or otherwise engage our material. We provide limited education for the result of general entertainment, yet satisfaction is not guaranteed. Views expressed. Presentations are intended for educational purposes only and do not replace independent professional judgment. Statements of fact and opinions expressed are those of the participants individually and, unless expressly stated to the contrary, are not the opinion or position of the consultant, its co-sponsors, directors, officers, parents, family, partners, or confidentially held individuals or teams. No endorsement. Consultant and its company does not endorse or approve, and assumes no responsibility for, the content, accuracy, or completeness of the information presented. Quality controls. Guests, attendees, users, viewers, and other consumers should note that engagement in business, meetings, and sessions with company, consultant, or channel may be video, audio recorded and may be stored or published in various media, including print, audio, and video formats without further notice.
Limits on liability. Users' personal responsibility. Important. We have done our best to ensure that the information provided is useful, accurate, and provide valuable information. Regardless of anything to the contrary, nothing available on or through this material is guaranteed, nor should be treated or understood as a recommendation that you should not consult with a fiduciary to address your particular information. The company expressly recommends that you seek advice from a qualified fiduciary prior to taking any actions. Nothing here by or through this content as either legal, financial, tax, medical, or health or professional advice, nor any professional client relationship. By using this content, you accept personal responsibility for the results of your actions. You agree to take full responsibility for any harm or damage you suffer as a result of the use or non-use of the information available by or through consultant or this material or any channel or the resources available for download thereof. You agree to use judgment and conduct due diligence before taking any action or implementing any plan or policy suggested or recommended by or through us and or our affiliates. You nevertheless recognize that your ultimate success or failure will be the result of your own efforts, your particular situation, and innumerable other circumstances beyond the control and or knowledge of the company. You also recognize that prior results do not guarantee a similar outcome. Thus, the results obtained by others, whether clients or customers of the company or otherwise, applying the principles set out by or through consultant or otherwise, each are no guarantee that you or any other person or entity will be able to obtain similar results. See disclaimer for more details. Disclaimer. Earnings disclaimer. From time to time, the company may report on the success of one of its existing or prior clients, customers, projects, businesses, services, or other inspiration. The information about this success is accurately portrayed in form and function, You acknowledge that the prior success of others does not guarantee your success. As with any business, purchase, sale, or other activity, your results may vary and will be based on your individual capacity, business experience, expertise, and level of desire. There are no guarantees concerning the level of success you may experience. There is no guarantee that you will make any income at all, and you accept the risk that the earnings and income statements differ by individual. Each individual's success depends on his or her background, dedication, desire, and motivation. Company is not liable for any success or failure of yourself, nor your business that is directly or indirectly related to the purchase and use of our information, products, and services, reviewed or advertised by or through consultant. No warranties and release. The company makes no warranties regarding the performance or operation of this material, your contents, situation, any website, nor any third-party information relied upon. The company further makes no representations or warranties of any kind, express or implied, as to the information, contents, materials, documents, programs, products, books, or services included on or through consultant, channel, works, and business, to the fullest extent permissible under the law. The company disclaims all warranties, express or implied, including implied warranties of merchantability and fitness for a particular purpose. You agree to absolve the company of any and all liability or loss that you or any person or entity associated with you may suffer or incur as a result of use of the information contained on, by or through consultant, website, and or the resources you may download from therefrom. You agree that the company/consultant shall not be liable to you for any type of damages, including direct, indirect, special, incidental, equitable, or consequential loss or damages for use of this presentation, the works, business, or other efforts from time to time. The information, software, products, and services included in or available through the company, consultant, or website may include inaccuracies or typographical errors. Changes are periodically added to the information herein. The company, consultant, and or its suppliers may make improvements and or changes in the information or presentation at any time. Company, consultant, and or its suppliers make no representations about the suitability, reliability, availability, timeliness, and accuracy of the information, software, products, services, and related graphics contained on the website and or by or through company consultant for any purpose. To the maximum extent permitted by applicable law, all such information, software, products, services, and related graphics are provided as is, without warranty or condition of any kind. The company and or its suppliers hereby disclaim all warranties and conditions with regard to this information, software, products, services, and related graphics, including all implied warranties or conditions of merchantability, fitness for a particular purpose, title, and non-infringement. To the maximum extent permitted by applicable law, in no event shall the company, consultant, and or its suppliers be liable for any direct, indirect, punitive, incidental, special, consequential damages, or any damages whatsoever, including, without limitation, damages for loss of use, data, profits, or opportunity, interest, sensory interest, nor value arising out of or in any way connected with the use or performance of the company, consultant, any website, or other third-party action, an action with the delay or inability to use the website or related services, the provision of or failure to provide services, or for any information, software, products, services, and related graphics obtained through the website, works, or otherwise arising out of the use of the website presentation, whether based on contract, tort, negligence, strict liability, or otherwise, even if the company or any of its suppliers has been advised of the possibility of damages, because some states' jurisdictions do not allow the exclusion or limitation of liability for consequential or incidental damages. The above limitation may not apply to you. If you are dissatisfied with any portion of the company, consultant, or with any of these terms of use, your sole and exclusive remedy is to discontinue using the company, consultant.
Well, at this juncture, I take the time to express gratitude in this presentation for you being attentive and getting all the way through this course. You are the best opportunity available for your own success. Having a consultant come alongside to be able to help direct or give a greater bit of insight to something that you have already been brewing over in your mind, or just seeking some better clarity for structuring that plan, or even that support on how to implement, and maybe even additional help to create or service or leadership process. Nevertheless, We are grateful that you have stopped by to see what we have to offer, and we hope that you reach out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my name is William DeBose, Senior Consultant. Thank you.